Mastering Reading Comprehension on the GMAT. Tips and Tricks. Hello learners! Today, we'll delve deep into the realm of GMAT's verbal section, focusing on reading comprehension. Ever felt overwhelmed by those long passages? Well, we're here to arm you with strategies to tackle them effectively. Let's dive in. The GMAT's reading comprehension passages are meticulously structured. Recognizing this structure can be your secret weapon. 1. Topic. This is what the passage is about. It's usually mentioned in the first few lines. 2. Main idea, the key message or the central theme. 3. Supporting details, examples, explanations, or elaborations that back up the main idea. 4. Author's tone. Is it objective, positive, negative, or neutral? Tip. Don't get bogged down by the complex terms or details. Focus on understanding the general flow of ideas. There are primarily 3 types of questions. 1. Main idea questions. What's the primary purpose of the passage? 2. Detail questions. Asking about specific facts or details. 3. Inference questions. What can be inferred from the passage? Key strategy. For main idea questions, look at the introduction and conclusion. For detail questions, refer back to the passage. For inference questions, use your understanding and logic, but ensure the answer is supported by the passage. Active reading doesn't mean reading every word. It's about being engaged and thoughtful. 1. Underline. Key phrases or terms that stand out. 2. Summarize. After each paragraph, jot down a brief summary in your mind. 3. Predict. Before looking at the options, try to answer the question in your own words. Note: remember, the GMAT won't test you on outside knowledge. Every answer is in the passage. Sometimes, the correct answer isn't obvious. That's okay. Focus on eliminating the wrong ones. 1. Extreme words. Be wary of choices with words like always, never, or only. They're often too extreme for the nuanced content of passages. 2. Out of scope. If it wasn't discussed in the passage, it's likely not the answer. 3. Contradictory information. If the option goes against the passage's tone or message, rule it out. Strategy. If stuck between 2 choices, refer back to the passage. The GMAT is about precision, and the correct choice will align perfectly with the passage's content. And there we have it. By understanding the passage structure, recognizing question types, practicing active reading, and skillfully eliminating wrong choices, you'll be well equipped to ace reading comprehension on the GMAT. Remember, practice is key. So, dive into those passages, and soon they won't feel so daunting anymore. Happy studying, and here's hoping this video has illuminated your path to GMAT success.